Opening Sony Liv App in Android mobile. Something went wrong, error occurs. Error code 418. We are facing some issues. Please try to connect in some time or go to download. Error code 418. Something went wrong, error occurs. 418 HTTP 418 chain validation failed. Sometimes chain validation failed, error is showing. Solution: go to date and time settings, turn on set time automatically. Now error will be fixed. Solution 2: go to settings, apps, select all apps, search for Sony Liv App, go to storage and cache, clear cache. This might sometimes fix the problem. Solution 3: go to Play Store, update Sony Liv App, subscribe, comment your answers.